The Logicool G25 racing controller is one that managed to stay relevant even years after its release. With multiple easy modifications on AliExpress, it's easy to see why, but we find the shifter with its adjustable knob one of the biggest draws. This lovely knob allows you to change from the usual regular H shifter to a sequential up and down arcade racer style, making this very nice to own for arcade racer enthusiasts. But let's get back to the G25. This wheel is in fact very good. It's also pretty loud. But when I saw a G27 in a bundle on Yahoo Auctions, or eBay if you don't live in Japan, I decided to give it a go. Unfortunately, as soon as this one arrived, I realized that this came with no shifter at all, just this and the pedals. But maybe this thing may be compatible. I mean, it's got the same connectors, right? But after a bit of testing on the PC and PlayStation 3, we found that this gear stick and the G27 just did not play ball. We found a Reddit post which claimed that you could actually get these working together simply by changing one wire. So let's go and make a cheap adapter. For this mod, a short DB9 extension cable is pretty much all we need. We bought this from AliExpress at around $4 or so, and this is what arrived. Of course we could strip the original wire, but that would be destructive. So instead we're going to use this cable and create a non-destructive adapter. To do this, we'll first need to remove the plastic housing. We're going to use the male side of the DB9 connector, and we'll need a small flathead screwdriver. Then pry slightly on the plastic, and then pull it away. We'll need to do this on both sides. And now to remove the plastic on the end. Once done, we can see how all the wires create this ribbon cable. Each of these wires in the ribbon is punctured by a pin, and we'll simply need to flip wires 1 and 7. To find the pin, we can do this by simply counting from the outside. 1 is at the top left, and number 7 is the second one along the bottom. In the case of this ribbon cable, it's the one on the very right here, which is the slightly brown colour, as well as the yellow one, which is pin 7. Now using the small flathead screwdriver or something sharp, we can separate them from the ribbon and basically switch their positions. Make sure they're in a good position to get pierced by the pin, and then push the plastic back on. And then put it together again. If you have a multimeter with thin enough prongs, we could check that everything has continuity. But we don't, so let's connect up our DIY adapter. Here's the G27 wheel, and the adapter will simply bridge this connection with a G25 shifter. And now to add our pedals, AC adapter, and then connect it to our PlayStation 3. As you can see, we can easily navigate with the shifter buttons, and it all works flawlessly in game. Here's a bit of Gran Turismo 6, and OutRun Online Arcade. I hope this helped some of you out, and if it did, or if you found it interesting, please smash that like button. We do have a few more videos on this channel, including how we made that sim rig extremely cheaply. But for now, I'll catch you on the next one. Ta-ra.
Job's done.